2.8 billion miles from the sun. Hidden in the darkness of space lurks the mysterious moon Triton. This strange natural satellite is the largest of 14 known moons that orbit the mighty blue gas planet Neptune. But Triton is unlike any other large moon in our solar system, as it orbits its planet in the opposite direction, and this means the curious moon must have been captured from elsewhere in the solar system. It is believed that Triton may have originally existed in the Kuiper as a dwarf planet, as it shares similar compositions to Pluto. But where this moon actually came from is still a mystery. So, if one day in the future we have developed a technology that will allow human beings to travel and land on this strange moon, what will it be like to stand on Triton? The brave space explorers would experience frigid conditions, as Triton is considered the coldest known object in the solar system, and it has an average surface temperature of minus 235 degrees Celsius and 391 Fahrenheit. Solar system as an average surface temperature degrees in Fahrenheit. It had an extremely thin atmosphere that made up mainly of hydrogen and trace amounts of other gases that thought had resulted from evaporation of its icy surfaces. The explorers will require advanced equipment to allow them to survive on this blistering cold and lack of breathable oxygen. But they would have enjoyed very low gravity, which would have half as a moon's gravity, and might feel bouncing on a trampoline. Looking across the surface, they would see a fairly flat landscape that is mostly made up of frozen nitrogen. Parts of this strange alien environment might also be visible with a slight reddish tint, which is a result of methane ice turned to carbon due to exposure of ultraviolet radiation. In the distances, ridges and icy plains might be seen with impact craters scattered across its frozen ice. Because Triton is geologically active, the explorers may avoid the cryogenical aberrations that might be bursting into the sky. Explorers will see only darkness, with the subtitle of distant stars glowing away if you look up into the space on the sky. However, if the explorers landed on the side of Triton that always faces Neptune, they would have the privilege of seeing the mighty planet in all its glory, as the gas planet would look 10 times larger than our moon does here on Earth. So the observation of Triton has been limited to Earth-bound instruments, and one visited the Voyager 2 flyby back in 1989. But one day, we will go back to the Neptunian system and explore the strange captive world that mystery is just waiting to be solved.